Good morning. I woke up early so I could go on a little run on the beach, and then I think we're gonna go get breakfast. So I just finished my little run. I think it was probably just like maybe 2 miles. Now that I'm all wet, I'm gonna try to just hop in the ocean instead of taking a shower right there. The water is much clearer than yesterday. I think yesterday, because there were so many people in the water, it was stirring it all up, but it was pretty clear when I just jumped in. And I didn't bring a towel. Now time to go run back up to the room, dry off, and then come back down for breakfast. Awesome. Thank you so much. Looks good. So this is dried papaya.
Catamaran.
Does not taste like dried papaya. This is good though. It honestly tastes like raisins. There's my archaic bowl and mom's avocado toast. So we just got done with breakfast and we decided to come out here where everyone's surfing, and there are literally so many surfers and they just walk along this path, jump out, and then just surf all day long. Kind of jealous. I'm about to meet my almost to be friend. I say that because I've not met her yet, but it's Emma's friend. And she's out here in Hawaii. She's been out here for a while. And she agreed to come pick us up and drive us around for the day. What's up?
Oh
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh my god.
Alright, so Kyle just took us to this super cool little outlook.
Look how cool.
And literally, it's just the coolest place in the world. Kyle just dropped us off, and where she took us was just so cool. We just set sail, and the next hour and a half, this is my boat. I'm the captain. This is the coolest catamaran ever, and the only one I've ever been on.
Bye guys.
Thank you, Kia.
Enjoy the rest of your trip. Bye guys.
See ya. Thanks, man. Thanks for the ride. Aloha.
Hello. That was the whitest aloha.
Aloha. Okay.
The whitest.
I'm just gonna jump off now.
That's funny.